welcome back to the channel, guys. In a previous video, we put together this car, had it on the dyno, and I said that I was going to try to get up this way, and we found a reason to head up this way. We'll get into that later on, but for right now, we're going to talk a little bit about the car with the man himself, Stang Mode.
Everybody, appreciate you. Thanks for
yes,
coming.
Sir. Yes, sir.
It's an honor to have Ken here all the way from Tennessee, come to my house with this beautiful car he built. Just some background, it's crazy. We initially had planned to do a cool giveaway with this, and once the winner chose the cash option, we said, hey, let's turn it up. And that's what Ken did with the ESS G3R, and of course the fuel system, and then my buddy Rob did his thing tuning it, so 930 wheel. And we'll talk about what you went into all this build, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
So guys, the car came to me, like I said in the previous video, a lot of the suspension stuff was already done. Everything like that was already lined out. So basically we started out with the ESS kit with the G3R, and you already had the Ford Innovations pumps, and you already made good power with that. So I knew it was a good starting point. So basically what we did, we went in and finished all four stuff, regulator, everything that we needed to push the horsepower out. This is still a stock engine?
Stock block, of course, oil pump gears are done to it, crank sprocket. But yeah, stock 5.0 is in there. My built 5.0 is a L&M right now, but this is a stock from Ford Coyote, because our plan was to keep it safe for the potential new owner with the giveaway. But again, things change, and we're just audibling, and here we are. Yeah. So it was a stock. It is a built 10-speed from RSA Race down in Florida. Of course, we have the ported intake manifold from 1320 Junkie, and this awesome ESS G3R kit, which is amazing. Make a 930 wheel, which is really impressive. This centrifugal setup has really taken the Mustang community by storm for how well it's priced, how well it's made, and how well it performs. So really excited for what this car is.
We're finally getting to the part of what I'm doing here and what's going on with the car. So I'm gonna let you talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, things have definitely changed in my perspective and plan. I'm always going by the seat of my pants, but Ford dropped the mic with the Mustang GTD, which is a crazy $300,000 Mustang supercar, which is something that I don't even know I can afford yet. But the way Mamba has changed my life with the channel, with racing, I'm gonna try to do the same thing with the potential of getting a Mustang GTD. Now, I knew that once this car was back, I wanted to race it like crazy, but by the grace of God, I have been put on good authority that I should be approved for a Mustang GTD. So now I gotta figure out how to get them kind of shekels up, and I'm gonna use this car as the starting point to do that. And because this car was a giveaway, but the winner chose the cash, I put it up for sale, and lo and behold, it's going back home to my friends over in Tennessee. Xander's friends Colton bought it. Of course, it's gonna be right around the wheelhouse of Ken, so I feel like this car is in a good place, and the story continues. Mamba gets a chance to continue to race, continue to be out in the community. I can always check in and see how it's doing. That meant a lot to me personally, because there is such an attachment to the car, but I needed to figure out a way to get this next, I would say this next build up, which is gonna be totally insane, that I never thought Ford would build a supercar like this. But to be able to be in a position to get one, I'm gonna try my best to do so. And with it going to Tennessee, with that great community of Mustang people out there, I really feel happy to see it continue its legacy and its story, and I'm just honored that it's going to that our kind of family out there. So when I put it up for sale, a lot of people are probably gonna just take it and I'll never see it again. But with this opportunity, when I found out. When Ken and them found out, they called me. Just realized, I said, listen, GTD is definitely a possibility, and yes, it is. So it's like, hey, we're gonna come and get it. So that's where they're here. They drove 16 some hours. We had a good time. I made them breakfast with some delicious eggs and bacon, and we're just having fun. So there's a lot of content from Mamba. If you want to continue to see Mamba content, it's gonna be on Colton's, Xander's, and HPR Automotive with this epic ESS G3R kit. So I feel great about it, and of course, I'll still check in. I'll be visiting Tennessee, and I'll have a chance to see my old girl from time to time. So that's kind of it in a nutshell, what's going on. I'm gonna try. If I don't come up with the money, I'll be begging them to give me the car back, probably for double for what they sold it for. But no, it's been a legacy, and not to get mushy on it, but this car has meant a lot to me, and it wasn't done overnight to think about selling it. looked at all of his stuff, and to try to even get that kind of money together, needed to start with something big, and that was to let this car go to a special set of people and a special person. So I feel great with who it's going to, and I feel like it's not goodbye, it's I'll see you soon. So I don't know if that's too mushy for you guys, but that's why I feel. And again, I want to thank, if there's any crossover subscribers here, all your support over the years for this build. And of course, thanks to HPR Automotive and Ken for their support and what they've done with this car, and I can't wait to see what they do with it in the future.
So you heard it from the man himself why he's getting rid of the car, and like he said, I reached out to him. We seen it online. You actually threw me the link to it.
Yep.
And he asked me a few questions about it, and so I got with Staying Mode and says, is this legit? What's going on? Why are you selling it? He told me the reason why. I said, I got a guy. So we got with you.
Yep.
Y'all got together with the help of Xander and everybody, and you decided to go ahead and buy the car.
I did.
So he calls me up and said, hey, Ken, I'm headed out. And before he could end his sentence, I was like, yeah, I'll go. So well,
Hold on, it's more dramatic than that. I literally called him. I said, all right, so it's legit, everything's good, you know, whatever. So I called him, I said, do you, and as soon as I said that, it said yes. And I said, you don't even know what I'm talking about. And he goes, the answer is yes. I said, okay, cool. So lo and behold, okay, Ken has been wanting to come up here for a while and has not been able to. He's really busy at the shop and everything, obviously, but it all worked out at a perfect timing, basically, because you are getting your new shop as well. Oh, my bad, I'm sorry.
But yeah, we do have something coming, guys. It's going to be in the future video. We are going bigger and better with the shop. Stay tuned to the channel. As soon as everything happens and done, I will give you guys a tour and talk about it. He kind of had the cat out of the bag, but you know what? It is what it is. Yes, we are going to a bigger shop.
It's super exciting.
Yeah, it is super exciting. But anyway, so we came yesterday.
Yep.
And you actually got to drive the car for the first time. Go check out Xander 13's channel. He's got some awesome content coming for you guys. And also, what is your YouTube channel?
Mine is 0260 TV. It's a smaller channel, but we're getting started, so we're gonna see where this goes and just stay along for the journey. There's a lot of plans for this car too for future. Not right now, we're gonna do a lot of racing currently, and then you know, just run the car the way it is for now. But later this year, there could be potentially some really big things that are gonna happen too as well.
Yeah, so watch his channel. Link down in the description. I've got it spelled out across the bottom. Make sure it's all together. But once you get to his channel, go check it out. He's going to be having a lot of content with the Black Mamba on his channel. And then occasionally we'll get to the drag strip and we'll play around. Maybe put the silver car against this, pull it down and have some fun on the track. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we're going to shoot to the video of you doing a pull.
Oh my God, bro! That's gnarly. That's gnarly.
Way different.
That is gnarly. Holy.
Oh, it pulls like a turbo car, man.
Dude, yes, it pulls like a turbo car. That is gnarly. Gnarly.
Oh, do it again.
All right, we're going to give her the beans.
Okay.
We're doing third gear beans.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, let's go! Let's go!
Wow! Oh my God! Dude, that's lit! I'm alive. Dude, I lost my voice.
Good job.
What'd you think?
Good job building this. Just lifted and fucking went.
The amount of lift
You can
on that
you can
is
do the beep
atrocious.
beep beep. But
When you came by us, go ahead.
Oh, no.
When you came by us, man, that front end was just like this. Just, whoa.
it's like the space shuttle.
Now listen, was it as advertised or was
Absolutely,
I'm telling you,
100%. Actually, more than advertisement.
All right, so there you go. There's a few pulls of him in the car. Like I said, go check out Xander 13. He's got some awesome content on that where they was in the car. I just got a little snippet of it to share with you guys. But so what did you think about the car?
It was definitely more than I expected. I mean, I've had fast cars, not Mustang wise. My last ESS car was G3X, great, but didn't do a fuel system, stayed on 93. it was fast for what it was, but this car is definitely, this is everything playing the factor in it. You got suspension, the G3R, I mean, just everything all in one. There's a lot of things going on in it, and way more than expected. Just seeing the car take off it was great.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.